Okay, for this video, I just want to kind of show you a problem that I've run into and I've tried to fix, and I don't know why it's working this way, and I'm hoping that maybe somebody else's eyes on it will see it. So to get started, we're going to go into the Manage Products, and what it wants us to do is to ensure that the product code does not get a duplicate entry. So it wants us to stop that. So what I did, let's just go back real quick so we can pick one. Let's do the draft 10. And we'll do a duplicate of this one here with a different date, and it shouldn't accept a product code that's already been put in. So let's try it. Draft 10. We'll do a different name, so we'll say do a draft 1.7 instead, a version 1.7. And you can already see it pressed enter for me. It says duplicate error. The product code already exists. Please return the add form. This is the entry, and return to the add product form. Which, that's fine, that's probably how it's supposed to work. But the only problem is, if you look inside of the folder the way that I've got it set up, the way this is working right now, and we'll move this to the left and this to the right. Let me pull it up. I have in my errors folder, I had made a duplicate error, and I wanted it to open up and to say, you know, there was an error running your insert statement, the product code already exists. But it won't see that every time I've tried to direct it towards it. And here's how I set up my index page. I have it set up as, I put a try block in here. So I said if the action is add product, get all the name, version, code, and restate, and then run my add product function to try to do the add function. If a duplicate product code shows up, then catch it and display the error message and include the error. Now here it says database error, and I wanted it to say duplicate, but it won't allow it. It allowed me to go in and change the database error. I just had to remodify that file. Go to KF, errors. So I just re-edited my duplicate error. I made my database error into a duplicate error. But why can't I pull up this duplicate error? It's in the exact same folder. You can see it. Duplicate and database are right next to each other. So I should be able to put in this duplicate error instead. But look what happens when I try to. If I cancel this, and I go to index, and I try to point it towards the exact same folder I just showed you, and type in duplicate. Okay, so that should work. And then let's go back a page. Go back a page. Let's refresh, and let's try it all again. And now I get a warning saying that my errors duplicate error page failed to open stream. No such file in directory. And it's failing to open my duplicate error. But if I just change it back to database, which shouldn't, I mean, it's in the exact same directory. Let's go back a page. Let's try it again. And now I get my error. Why can I not point to my duplicate error page? If anybody can figure that out, I'd be really happy to hear it. And just to let you know, I did try to require, let's try this, require. Let's try it again. And it just doesn't like it. Even if we come back down and put it in again. Now it just goes past it. Didn't even do anything. Didn't even add it. Didn't do anything. It just skipped it. One more time. and I just get the same thing again. So the only way I can actually get it to work is to say database here, and that's just driving me absolutely nuts because I don't understand why that would be the right way to do this, to change the database folder, because now I add product and I get my duplicate error. If anybody can figure this out, I'd be really happy to listen. Okay, submit your answers wherever you think, or in the comments if you want on this post. Thanks a lot. Okay, bye.